Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Butler School. Today we're going to use the Butler's Thief, which is a particular sort of bottle opener that one usually uses for old bottles of wine that might have a damaged cork. There's lots of names for this. It's also called the arceau. Now that's arceau, I'm not being rude. And this Gardini one calls it the gitano, which I believe is Italian for the gypsy. So it's quite simple to use. See, it's a two-pronged corkscrew. It looks like it's going to be a lot more difficult than it actually is. So first thing, of course, we have to take the foil off the bottle. What you'll notice is that one prong is longer than the other. And what we want to start with is that longer prong. We just need to push that down the side of the bottle. And then we simply push the other one down the other side of the cork, like that. Really, really simple. And then with a backwards and forwards motion, we push it all the way to the bottom of the cork. The reason we use that backwards and forwards motion, if you just push like a plunger, you'll actually push the cork down into the bottle, and you really don't want to do that. And then you just turn and pull, just like that. The beauty of this is, even if this cork was very old and weak, what you would find is it would still come out in one piece. And the reason it's called the Butler Thief is, if you were so inclined, you could swap that wine for a different wine and put the cork back in, and no one would be any the wiser. But obviously I wouldn't advocate any behaviour like that. So I'm going to enjoy my bottle of wine, and I hope you enjoy your bottles of wine at home using your Butler Thief corkscrew. Thanks very much. Bye bye.